Instead of using eggs in your baking, you can replace it with flaxseed gel. Now you can try that. Hey my people, welcome back to venvenmusic and country life. Now today I'll be showing you how to make your own flaxseed gel at home. Before we go any further, some benefits of using your flaxseed. Now, flaxseed promotes healthy hair, healthy skin. It helps in fading acne scars on your skin, and it does help with bowel movement. This enhances your mood. It's a great antioxidant. This is great for hormone imbalance. Hence, it is good for those who are going through menopause. It promotes healthy heart, yes, healthy digestion, healthy joints. It is also high in omega-3. If you want to boost your omega-3 intake, yes, enjoy your flaxseed or increase your flaxseed intake. Now, remember to eat healthy, keep healthy, and be happy. Now, let me show you how to make your own flaxseed gel at home. So here we have our flaxseed and our water and our pot on the fire, and that's basically what you will need to make this gel. Yes, so, and for this flaxseed we're going to be using organic flaxseed. As you can see it right here, put 2 cups of water to boil. Then we will add 3 tablespoons of flaxseed to the water. We have 1. So that's 1 tablespoon. We have 2. We have 3. We're gonna be adding another one. Here we have the water boiling, so we will add the flax seeds to the water. So you will boil it for about 3 minutes. So here we have the flaxseed boiling. Yes. And then you will take it off the fire and put it to cool. So after it is well cool, then you will strain it. So you will have to use your hand or use a spoon to get it through the strainer. And as you can see, it's looking really thick and nice. Yes. So this is how you make your 100% flaxseed gel. So there you have it, the 100% organic flaxseed gel. Alright, so stay tuned, stay connected for another Country Life video.